tiny sand tails.
Hello, little artists, and welcome back. Did you hear that big roar I made last week? That's right. It's Dinosaur Month. Get ready to meet some of the biggest, most amazing creatures ever. And to start our new adventure, we're meeting the king himself, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's go to Emma to start our prehistoric story.
Thank you, Pipo. Welcome to the land of the dinosaurs. Our friend today is a mighty T-Rex named Rexie. Let's begin by giving Rexie his big, bright eyes, using a little white and black sand. Look, his eyes are open. What color are your eyes?
Purple eyes, red eyes, yellow eyes, orange eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, pink eyes.
Yay!
Rexie can see the prehistoric world around him. Now for his colorful body, we're using a technique called color blocking. Let's give him a friendly blue head, a warm orange body, and strong green legs and tail.
Awesome!
Rexie had a secret that he kept hidden behind his big roar. Let's give him a sunny yellow belly and big yellow spikes on his back. Let's talk about that secret. Rexie was very shy about his special talent and would often blush a rosy pink on his cheeks.
What do you think a big T-Rex could be shy about?
And for his little arms and claws, a darker yellow. Rexie's secret was that he didn't like to roar. He loved to sing. He loved singing gentle songs under the big warm Sunday. Let's make our sun with a yellow center and bright red rays. A big bright sun.
What is your favorite song to sing on a sunny day?
Tell the farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the
One day, a volcano far away began to rumble, and the ground started to shake. All the little dinosaurs got scared and hid. Before we color their world, let's place our stickers to save a spot for some pretty flowers and the big tree. Now let's create the soft green grass for the dinosaurs to play on, using a lovely light green sand. And for the sky, a beautiful light blue. Look at all the little dinosaurs hiding.
How do you think they are feeling right now?
Rexie saw the little dinosaurs trembling with fear from the volcano's rumble by the tree. Let's make our tree with a brown trunk and a full canopy of dark green leaves. And look, it has yummy red fruit.
What's your favorite red fruit?
Apples or strawberries? Rexie wanted to help calm them down. He knew a loud roar would only make a scary situation feel even scarier. So he decided to try something different. He took a deep breath and began to sing his softest, kindest song. Let's finish our sky with a big fluffy white cloud as Rexie sings. Slowly, the beautiful music floated through the air. Hearing the lovely song, the little dinosaurs peeked out from behind the big tree. and from within the tall grasses, they saw that the gentle music was coming from Rexie. They weren't afraid of the noise anymore. They were enchanted by his amazing talent. All his new friends gathered around to listen. Don't you just love this colorful picture we made together?
Wonderful!
Rexie learned that his special talent, his gentle song, was a wonderful gift. His voice could bring peace and happiness, and that was the greatest superpower of all. What a beautiful song and a brave friend. Now let's welcome Ava to review the words from our dinosaur adventure.
Review. Dinosaur. 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 Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Sun. 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 Tree. 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 Blue. 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 Yellow. 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 White. 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 Green. Green. Green.
Wow! A singing T-Rex! That is the coolest secret talent ever! Rexie's story shows us that everyone has something special and unique about them. It doesn't matter if it's different from what people expect. That was our first adventure in Dinosaur Week. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time to meet another amazing dinosaur.
See you next time on Tiny Sand Tales. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.